hello everybody. Oh, that's what's happening. यहाँ पे echo हो रहा है कुछ, तो double आवाज आ रही है.
Eco.
Hi guys, hi.
If I could request all of you to go a little on the rights and go slant so that we can also face our fans as well as our friends from the media and go a little slant that way. So, and this way so that we can also, yeah, a little. Prerna, if I could request you, yeah, thank you, in a slant would be nicer so that we can address to them as well. Sorry. So, ये जो आप पूछे कि आवाज गूंज रही है, well, हमने बंसाली प्रोडक्शन में हमेशा देखा है जिस तरीके से एको होता है, रिवर्ब होता है, हर बार कोई घूमता है तो किस तरीके से प्रोडक्शन होता है. So this and the venue is such, right? So
Thank you so much. ये कन्वे होगा सर को.
no, but you know it's larger than life, right? It's larger than life. हमने कहा कि यहाँ पर भी वो मजा आना चाहिए ना. ये शाम जिसके लिए हम बेसब्री से इंतजार कर रहे हैं. Now I want to ask all the lovely ladies. You want to just say a quick hello to all the fans here who are waiting?
Hi. Hello.
And आपको पता है ना hashtag Hira Mandi and hashtag Hira Mandi on Netflix whenever you post any of the videos. Come on, we got to make it trending. The newer hashtags, yeah, in the kitty.
हमें tag करना.
आप but आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा. You know, here we are trying to get you to spill the beans as much as we can. कि तारीख पे तारीख होती जा रही है. We want to know. क्या आप बता सकती हैं कुछ तो?
बस अब
हिंट
यहाँ तक आप पहुँच चुके हो, इतना सब्र करके. This is very confusing.
Tell me about it.
तो यहाँ तक तो हम आ चुके हैं, तो थोड़ा और तो आप रुक ही सकते हो ना? हाँ, 5 मिनट, 10 मिनट.
मैं टीम से चेक करता हूँ.
कभी बहुत ही जल्द आपको पता चल जाएगा.
Manisha ji, how excited are you?
Super excited. It's really confusing. बहुत बेसब्री हमें भी है.
Good one.
Shami, what about you?
We both are very excited.
very excited and like हमें भी नहीं मालूम भाई कि कब रिलीज हो रही है. आप हमें बताओ.
उसका एक अलग तरीका है because I have to. अलग अंदाज होता है हमेशा.
बंसाली के अंदाज में.
Yes, अलग होगा अंदाज. तो you know, it's going to be different. It's going to be something mind-blowing. Yeah. What about you? What are your thoughts? Excited, looking forward.
Hi guys, I am
Yeah.
very excited. हम खुद अपना रिवर्ब कर ले क्या? Excited.
So, no, but also wishing you congratulations and all the best for your what you call
Upcoming
home production. Home production. Wishing you the best. Now, I want to ask all of you one question. कि Sanjay sir और उनके sets का तो जवाब नहीं. We've seen it in everything that he creates and brings out, right? आप बताइए, how was it to live in his dreamy world?
We didn't want to come out of it. It was that dreamy, it was that stunning, it was that captivating, and I think us as actors, an experience like we've never had before.
Guys, सर ने कैरेक्टर के बाथरूम भी बना दिए थे सेट पे. मतलब हर चीज. When you walk into his world, you're walking into his world. You're walking into your wardrobe, bathroom, bedroom, your characters. Bathroom, bedroom, wardrobe. So it's a full immersive experience. Like you're literally leaving your house and coming into your character's house and then going back to your house at night.
So basically, घर पे जाने के बाद you were also behaving like this?
नहीं भाई, हम लोग एक्टिंग कर देते हैं.
It does, right?
It does linger on. The character and everything is so overpowering. It definitely you have
Stays
a
with you.
little bit of traces in the house.
Also, I think Hira Mandi is the world created by the most celebrated filmmaker of the country. how would I want to come back home and be done with the show? I wanted the show to go on and on and on. And yes, it is very confusing.
Can I just say one thing? Sanjay sir, I've known him for a very long time in my life. Just saying.
Really?
Yeah.
How do you know each other?
That man walks onto these grand sets every day and then goes home to his 2 BHK and goes to sleep. So if he can do that, what he sets up us up for is a completely different ball game in itself, because like it's ridiculous. If someone like him is living his sets, who are we to do anything less? So
हाँ हम घर ही गए थे शार्लेन.
हाँ?
घर ही गए तो घर ही थे.
What is the biggest takeaway that you got from Sanjay sir while you were shooting with him through and through?
Just really high aesthetic standards. कोई भी चीज़ आधी नहीं करनी, हर चीज़ में अपनी पूरी जान डालनी है. Whether it's dialogue delivery, acting, dancing, music, everything. वो पीछे खड़े एक एक एक्स्ट्रा पे अपनी नज़र रखते हैं. तो it's just beautiful to work with him. I think we've all become better actors.
For sure. I think his work ethics is unmatched.
I think I have learned from Sanjay sir. Am I speaking really slow? Or this is okay. What I have learned from Sanjay sir is to live in the moment, because जो वो moment में magical moments मिलते हैं ना, that's the best. मैंने ज़्यादा सोचना छोड़ दिया है.
And you're speaking slow. It's the style.
Oh, is it? Oh, I'm in the
We're in
character.
the mood
then.
and feel of it, right? So,
I mean, Sanjay sir is all about nuances. I think Sona said it at one point कि left arc से एक आंसू गिराना है. Oh, Richa said it. और फिर right arc से एक और आंसू, फिर left arc से एक और आंसू. It's nuances to another degree. And as an actor, when you have to execute those nuances again and again and again, it really refines your ability to be in tune to yourself. So, like Sangeeta said, be spontaneous, but be in tune with yourself. So I think that's what Sanjay sir taught me the most.
Sonakshi, your thoughts?
My takeaway was that no matter how good you think you are, he will always get something better out of you. Yeah.
Agree.
And the teaser that we've seen, you guys are looking stunning. He's brought out the best from the
Don't
dreamy
feel shy.
world.
जोर से बजा सकते हो आप ताली.
Yeah. तालियों में कंजूसी नहीं होनी चाहिए. Yeah, I think इस तरफ से भी. You want to go a little behind and slant, so then we can also get a big shout out from all of them.
Hello.
And अब वो लोग कह रहे हैं कि सचिन अब तू बोलना बंद कर. We're waiting. We want to disclose the date, but
बता
before.
भी दो, हमें भी बता दो.
आप क्यों रुके हो? आपको क्या लग रहा है यहाँ पे कांच टूटेगा और हम सारे नाचने लगेंगे ऐसे और फिर जाके डेट रिलीज होगा?
Well, धरती का तो पता नहीं.
Watch Hira Mandi for
धरती का
that.
तो पता नहीं. पर कुछ होगा. यहाँ पर नहीं. Yeah, कुछ तो होगा. Now, before we get into and disclose वो तारीख जो disclose कर देंगे, उसके पहले एक आखिरी सवाल है. सब जानना चाहते हैं आपके characters के बारे में. So starting with you, Richa, थोड़ा बहुत कुछ. एक बार और.
Thank you, love you.
If in one word, if you can describe, because we are closer to the date, because we've timed something, so if you could describe your character.
My character is called Lajjo, and she's very emotional.
The teardrop said it. 1, 2, 3.
Said it
Emotional.
correct.
Yeah.
मेरे कैरेक्टर का नाम है वहीदा, and I would call myself mysterious.
मेरे कैरेक्टर का नाम है आलम ज़ेब, and I think love would describe her the best.
My character name is Malika Jan. And बहुत चालबाज़ा है.
और मैं हूँ फरीदन. और फरीदन में मिर्ची है. बस कर पगले.
So you got emotional, mysterious love, chalbaz, mirchi. Yeah, the heat is on.
तीखी.
All right, so I'm going to go do a quick check. But सबसे दरख्वास्त है who are streaming live to please stop that. Do not stream live. सभी से दरख्वास्त है. No live streaming, please. You can capture the moment. You can, shoot it, but don't stream it live. Please, a humble request. Thank you. Thank you. I hope you're following it. All the friends from the media as well. दरख्वास्त है कि please no streaming live on social media. Capture करे, video shoot करे. All go for it, but live streaming, please stop. We good to go? And जिस घड़ी का हमें इंतजार था, it's finally here. The moment that we've been waiting for from the media to all our fans. सभी का इस महफिल में फिर से एक बार स्वागत है. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया चार चांद लगाने के लिए. और इसी के साथ let's begin the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. एवढं लवकर नाही रे. नाही पळणार नाही मी इकडून. मैंने शुरुआत में भी कहा था कि सब्र का फल मीठा होता है, राइट? और इस धरती पर नहीं, जो कुछ जादूगरी होने वाली है वो, यस रिचा, यू गॉट दैट राइट, आसमान में होने वाली है. एंड फॉर दैट वी गॉट टू होल्ड आवर ब्रेथ टू द काउंटडाउन. हो धीर धरा, धीर धरा, धीर धरा. ये जो अब ये जो हो रहा ना, जो तैयारी, बिकॉज इट्स समथिंग यूनिक जो हमने तैयार किया है यहाँ पर, एंड इट्स वेरी कैलकुलेटेड विद टाइम, सो वी ट्राइंग टू सेट दैट. ऐसा कभी सेट पे होता है कि यू आर रेडी एंड यू आर वेटिंग, एंड व्हाट इज दैट इमोशन?
Ready and waiting, always.
Always the case?
Waiting for magic to happen.
Yeah?
Yeah. Let me just put it like that.
Okay, no, but that is what you're telling. But what is internally going on when you're ready and you know that we are about to roll out?
आप देखो ना, ये बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल नज़ारा भी आने वाला है.
नज़ारे के लिए कुछ मिनट हैं हमारे पास.
ओके, हाँ, फिर तो बात करनी.
Yes? Hey, guess. Group photo करायचा? Please, a little closer. You want to come here on this center? हो घेतोय. एक second. Center, if you could have this and the cross mark, and then set design ला वेळ लागतो. 1 मिनिट तरी द्या. बरोबर हो की नाही? असली सोना इकडे आणि एक सोन्यासारखी स्माइल दे. I think हीरा मंडी वाला एक look हो जाए, एक that character look of yours, all of you, will be nice.
वो हैंडल नहीं कर पाओगे आप.
Of course, sir. One second. If I could request all of you to please be center stage, को capture कर सकें. Light व्यवस्थित है? Perfect. A little closer, Richa, is what they say. एक कोण बोललं ते सोना मला जाम आवडलं ते परत एकदा बोलून दाखव ना सोना you know the whoever did see that hear that Allah पुरानी यारी है
अपने दाएं में देखिए, फिर अपने बाएं में देखिए. जो भी लाइव स्ट्रीम कर रहा है उसका फोन एयरप्लेन मोड पे डाल दीजिए. फिर क्या पता असली एयरप्लेन उड़ जाए यहाँ पे. हाँ, हो सकता है. चेक करिए ताकि हम आगे बढ़ सके.
ऐसा ही कुछ हो रहा है एंड थैंक यू फॉर दैट बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया वो कहने के लिए कि ऐसा ही कुछ हो रहा है एयरप्लेन मोड पे जाएगा तो ही हमारा यहाँ पर हवाई जहाज उड़ेगा.
फैंस भी.
I want to ask अब जलीला बंसाली सर जो तराश के निकालते हैं हर बार and with that वो लम्हा आ गया है. How many seconds to go? 10? Do I do the countdown or no? Here we go! खुलासा हो चुका है 1 मई 2024 हीरा मंडी स्ट्रीमिंग only on Netflix. Congratulations, Mubarak! फैनगन फिर से एक बार 1 मई 2024 हीरा मंडी start streaming only on Netflix, that too worldwide. Woo. Finally, it's like I'm waiting. फिर से एक बार तो अच्छा लग रहा है बिकॉज इतना ट्रेंड हो रहा था अब फाइनली इज आउट सो इट्स लाइक डिस्क्लोज कर दो अब तो पूरी दुनिया जहां को बता दो यू ऑल नो इट राइट 1st May 2024 it is. Hira Mandi streams only on Netflix worldwide. Well, you know the name, you know the series, it's Hira Mandi. Now, you got to remember the date. It's as simple as that. And you know the hashtags. A big, big, big thank you. Congratulations aap sabhi ko, mubarakbad. And all the best. We are looking forward to Hira Mandi. Thank you so much for joining us. And one more mention मैं करना चाहूँगा यहाँ पर ये है कि अदिति राव हैदरी जो एक और अहम कड़ी है हीरा मंडी की वो यहाँ पर नहीं है. There is a reason because आज उनकी शादी हो रही है. So इस मंच से उन्हें मुबारकबाद देते हैं. It's special for her and it's special so universe is conspiring to put it all together, right? All the specials are happening this evening. Once again तहे दिल से शुक्रिया आप सभी का. Prerna, thank you. Wish you the best. Taniji, thank you. And to entire cast, thank you so much. Wishing you the best. Thank you. And all of you, आपको तो पता है, तारीख आप ब्लॉक कर लो. फिर से एक बार बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. मेरा नाम है सचिन कुंभार. लेता हूँ आपसे इजाजत. And to the fans as well, a big thank you. You know the hashtag, hashtag Hira Mandi and hashtag Hira Mandi on Netflix. संजीदा, हम तो काफी संजीदा हो गए हैं आज. Wish you all the best और पूरे cast और makers को बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद and wish you all the best. And to all the fans, thank you so much for joining us and all our friends from the media, as always, a big thank you. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. आज